Hey guys, Master Investor Life here. I just wanted to say hello and help you get started with the digital franchise. It's really easy to set up. Hit the link below. We're going to show you exactly how to do it. It's hands-free, all on autopilot. We're going to get you up and running in less than an hour and get you in position to start earning 100% commissions straight to your account. So, I believe is essential if you're someone that has only one type of income coming in, which is maybe your regular job, then maybe you need to start looking to building something else on the side that can help you reach your dreams a lot faster, because the way you're doing it, it may take longer and you might miss all the opportunities because I don't know what type of dreams you have, but you can't really travel the world at a very old age. I mean, you can, but it's going to be very boring. So if you want to be traveling the world, for example, then maybe you need to create some sort of income aside from your job that can literally put you in position to start making money without you having to work for that money. And that is called passive income. So it is what I'm going to teach you how to do. And I know many of us are only taught to work for earned income, and that is, one type of way you can earn income. It is by exchanging time for money. You have a job or you have a salary, a company pays you for the time that you give to them. So the type of income that I'm showing you is differently because it grows spontaneously. It grows because systems are in place and they're doing the selling and telling for you. So it is mechanical, and we have the team to help you set up the systems. It is really very simple, and I believe it's beneficial. It's a win-win for everybody, so that you can live your life that you truly want and have financial freedom, so you can live a better life. So anyway, follow me on Instagram if you want to get educated and increase your financial IQ. I'm sharing excellent and information that can really help you change your mindset in regards to the way you view money and the way you do business in the 21st century. So everything is going digital. In fact, everything is digital today. We might not even be texting in the future because it's faster to say send this to somebody and you just dictate it and it does it for you. So anyway, that's the benefit of using technology and in our lives. It really makes things a lot faster. We become a lot powerful, and we can really have the ability to make money instantly even while we sleep. So I hope you get started right away. Hit the link below, and if you have any questions, drop it below. Hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you on the beaches of the world, and of course I'll see you at the top. Talk to you soon. Master Investor. Hope you're having a great day.